Hey, this is Jim coming at you live with another segment of TheRealEstateExpert.Online. Today we're going to talk about real estate investors and real estate agents that are marketing to try to get new business for themselves. Have you seen these in the mail? Well, I have. Um, I get these sent to me all the time, and the crazy thing is they're not even sent to the proper address or the right person. So you guys are out there buying up these list of leads, per se, cold leads at that, in a list to market and put these postcards out there saying they're going to buy your home and all that craziness. But how would you like to be tapped into a resource that already has hot leads already at your fingertips? These are people that are ready, willing, and able to sell their property to you. We as a real estate investment company, we have the system already in place. We're looking for people to help us sell our inventory as well as buy our inventory from us. So love to get you connected. Check us out online, the local home investment group.com. And my name is Jim. I'm a real estate investor, and you can reach me direct. My phone number is down below. Give me a call. Love to get you started and get you plugged into not spending your money so crazy on these crazy list of leads that are probably costing you quite a few thousands of dollars. And it's a bit annoying too, because these postcards just randomly show up at my doorstep offering to buy my house that I don't even have for sale. So quit spending your money on these crazy people that are offering these list of hot leads for you. It's a waste of time, it's a waste of money, and it's a waste of postage. So hope to get connected soon, and let's go make a lot of money together. Bye for now.